Ay, game ball. Game ball.
Pila? Ha? Baka game 1 eh, dugay sila. Ano yung paano kita?
Reyes, dumidiskarte. Pull up. 2 points. Ay, wala. Foul. Cara to siya kapay, no? Bay ka pa?
First game.
Apa? Lawig pa yun, prano pa eh. Lasite pa kayo. Prano pa? Prano pa? Santo. Rodriguez. To Cruz. For 3. Wala. Pansoy. Nice move by Pansoy. Ay, wala. Rebound by Losada. Losada. Wala. Why ko ito blista? Ay, sabi mo, blista mo ko. Kilang? Why kaso Ampal ko ito nga. Kilang karon ako Rodriguez, 2 points.
2-1.
Reyes. Cross, dumidepensa. Back to Wimby. Wimby, wala. Rebound by Sanchez. Sanchez, 2 points by Sanchez. Rodriguez. To Olalia. Olalia, dumidiskarte. Japante, dumidepensa. Back to Cruz. Cruz. Attempt for 3. Short, wala. Rebound by Sanchez. Back to Reyes. Bring down the ball by Reyes. To Japante. Japante, pula. Sanchez again. Ay, still by Losada. Losada. Pass to Pansoy. Cross. To Olalia. Back to Cross for 3. Wala. Rebound by Sanchez. Oy. Olalia get the ball. To Pansoy. Pansoy. Nice drive by Pansoy. 2 points. Inbound to Sanchez. Back to Reyes.
Ako man, sir.
Ikaw na?
Uy.
Grado ka?
Mampakasta.
Puta practice pa ni Simo?
Uy.
Sisiyo na lang niya Simo.
Okay, game. Back to the ball games. Morales. Good. Rebound by Olalia. Olalia, dribble the ball. Olalia. Olalia, lumayap. Yes. 2 points by Olalia.
Ano na yung mga galaw yun?
Number 11, dribble the ball. 11. Reyes. Attempt for 3. Uy, yeah. Basket oh? Wow, grabe. Ringlet. Rodriguez, dribble the ball. Pass to... Oy! Traveling violation against number 26. Hey! Number 15, pass number 11. Reyes. Ito kapag sang ano, sang... Hindi. Still by Losada, dribble ball, Losada. Pinasawa, still by number 15. Japante. Pass to Morales, under up. Yes, 2 points by number 28. Ano ka charge? Rodriguez, the point guard. Nag-relax and score 8-6. Rodriguez. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Attempt, pero wala. Dribble. Uy, what a block by number 28. To Losada, to Rodriguez. Rodriguez for 2, wala. Rodriguez again. To Cruz. Pumasok din.
Amo na yung mga galaw yun. Bilhin na kita na yung mga yun dito. Yung mga what a move by Pama.
Reyes. Paso Japante. Japante, attempt. Uy! Oh, sino yung basahan? Blind spot, gano'n ba? Saan ka punta tayo ba? Ulalya, dribble ball. Ulalya. For 2. Yes, easy basket. And score 12-8 in favor of Cruz team. Oy, 12 na 12. At number 28. Traveling. Nice goal left. Pagpito, pundo rin yung magtagtiyog ba? Rodriguez. Rodriguez, dribble ball. Rodriguez, pass to Pandoy. Oy, to Japante for a steal. Japante. Japante, easy layup. Yes, 2 points by Japante. Ulalya. Pass to Pandoy. Pandoy. Whoop, my foul against number 46. Morales. 2 free throw. Pansoy, Pansoy. First attempt. Wala. Second throw. Yes, 1 point play. On score 11-10 in favor of Cruz team. Number 28. Sentro na, point guard pa. Pass number 11. 11 for 3. Wala, rebound. Pansoy, Pansoy. Nagmamadali. Pansoy. Pansoy. Oh, reverse. Pass to Cruz. Cruz. Nagpeke. Pinasa kay Pansoy ulit. Pinasa kay Losada. Hindi niya. Abay, hindi upod. 2 points. Number 28. Dribble ball. For 3. Puta daw, Jordan Paul nga boy ba? 3 points by number 28. Ulalya. Pastor Rodriguez. Rodriguez fakes. Rodriguez to Losada for 2. Yes, 2 points by Losada. Morales. Pass to number 28. 28. Jordan Paul ng Panukoy for 3 again. Lumapaw. Rebound by Cruz. Pass to Ulalya. Ulalya, dribble ball. Ulalya. Oy! Traveling violation. Traveling. Japante, dribble ball.
Makuto ko pala, no?
Oy, pero naagaw ni Pansoy to Ulalya. Ulalya pass play to Reyes. Ay, kontra gali. Reyes. Reyes dribble ball, pass to oy. Naglapaw ang iya pasa. Losada, pass to Ulalya. Na point guard si Ulalya ba? Ulalya. Pass to Cruz. 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 Pass to Losada. Losada. Pass to Pansoy. Pansoy. Attempt for 2. My foul against number 46. 2 free throw. First attempt. Yes, 1 point. Second draw. Wala. Rebound. May number 28. 28. The Jordan Paul ng Panakoy. Uy, wala dribble. Jordan Paul. Dumiretso. Ay, hindi pinasa Japante. Yes, 2 points. Ulalia. Dribble the ball. Ulalia. Dumiretso. May foul against number 15, Japante. Pansoy. Pass to Lusada. Oy, to Ulalia. Lusada. Up. Along. Along kita along bau di punggur. Along gate kamu. May lang wag ngakpat ng babaw ba? Balik din ni. First attempt, wala. Second throw. Yes, 1 point play by Lusada. Reyes. Ano po yun? Reyes. Pass to 34. Yes, 2 points. Kita ko nang ito guys. Ulalia, pass to Rodriguez. Pass to Ulalia. Ito na, libre na. Cross. Uy, buta ginabantayan. Si Cross subong ginabantayan. Huwag ginapaboy. Pass to Ulalia for 3. Wala, rebound. Jordan Paul, dribble ball. Uy, crossover. Foul. Oh, blocking foul.
Wala to nagaling lang kamot.
Morales for 2. Yes, 2 points by Morales. Woo. Unscore 17-19. Cross for 3. Bang! Uta si Cross lang rin mapatay sa tanan. Grabe condition si Cross subong. Abay pagwara sa liga. Lapit na ng liga pagwara na. Sa 17 gali tanaw ka mo tanan. Previewing din Domingo. May liga kami din. Opening sa liga namon. Ulalia, pass by play. One intercept. Against Ulalia to Reyes. Uy! Blocking foul against Cruz. Okay. Guay na, guay. Mano ka di? Abusador ni nga pawa niya. Ulalia. Up. Okay, back to the ball game. Nag-slow motion ng Ampang. On score 19-20 in favor of Cruz team. Pastor Rodriguez dribble ball. This is a match game between Cruz and Japante team. Lusada. Intercept by Rodriguez, dribble ball. Rodriguez, it's a foul against Reyes. You are second personal foul. 14 shot clock. Paso Pansoy pa. Ay, hindi mo pinasa sa labas. Sayang. 34, dribble ball. Paso number 11. Reyes for 3. Cabus.